Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can use this wireless Bluetooth neckband with your phone. See, if this is your first time, this video will be helpful. First of all, this is Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo, which I purchased a year ago. And first of all, the initial operation is you need to separate these two earbuds. See here, there will be magnetic connection here. You need to open this like this. So this will be in the pairing mode or connecting mode. Now on your mobile, what you need to do is you need to turn on the Bluetooth. See here, so the Bluetooth is already turned on. So pair a new device. So this is already paired, that's the reason it is showing like the name here directly. But if it is your first time, what you should do is on one of the ear bud section you will see three buttons: volume increase, volume down, and this middle button. What you need to do is you need to press and hold on your middle button for few seconds, so that you will see a continuous blinking Bluetooth pairing mode on. Okay, as soon as you do that, see here the Realme Buds Wireless 3 will be pop up. You need to click on connect. So it is getting connected. It is saying like done. Okay, now this is successfully connected. So if you receive a call, now the voice will be coming out from these buds. Okay, even if you play any song here on the maybe on the YT music, I'll try to play one song, any song. There is ad playing or what? Okay, yeah, see now the audio is playing on here, so I'll just close it now. Immediately this gets into pause, right? When you open this, when you put it into your ears, the output device will be this one. And coming to the other controls, you can increase the volume here. See, the volume is getting increased. You can decrease with this control, volume control. And what if you receive a phone call? This center button you can press once to receive or accept the pause call, and now it is useful as pause and unpause. See, now it is unpause actually. I'll click here, pause. Sorry, this is an ad. Okay, pause, unpause, pause. Okay, unpause. So yeah, and you can also change these controls by installing an app called Realme Link. So I already installed that Realme Link on the mobile. Say for example, if your wireless neckband is of different brand, maybe some other, then you need to install appropriate device. Okay, I'm just clicking on the pair device. Okay, so yeah, agree and continue. See, as soon as I click on pair device, the Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo is showing here. So what you need to do is click on this one, and I'm agreeing to the terms and conditions. Click on get started, click on later. See, I can adjust the bass and those settings, and sound effects I can do. Button settings, this is what I'm talking about. Single tap, play and pause, or you can change it to next track, previous track, voice assistant, game mode, none. Okay, and double tap, double press on this button, this one. Okay, double tap on this one is, you can choose any of this. Say for example, now it is set to next song. Say for example, when I double press on this, automatically the next song, automatically in the next song. Okay, so in this way you can actually change that also. So if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. Did I miss anything? When you want to stop this, you can just club both of these earbuds, so that immediately this will be turned off. Okay, this phone and this will be disconnected, and there won't be any battery usage here. You can carefully keep them away. I purchased this for 1000 rupees and they're doing good, really good. If you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments.